Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwividiyo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisiphote njalo ngokubuka amavidiyo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwividiyo namuhla. Amaphoyisa abopha amadoda awu-5 waseMalawi kanye neyase-China emveni kokubathola bekwi-plant bekhanda utshwala lobu bungekho semthethweni. Phambi sifunde nje lolu daba noma sikhulume ngalolu daba. Kubalulekile ukuthi lento engihlezi ngisho ukuthi eSouth Africa kamachancha. Ilapho abantu benza noma yini. Lezi zinto abangeke bakwazi ukuzenza ezweni labo, bathola indawo yokuzenza la. Uma kusuka abantu basemazweni abo bayeka ukukhanda utshwala emazweni abo bezowakhanda la bezobukhanda la eSouth Africa. Lokho kusho ukuthini njengeSouth Africa? Angeke ngithathe umzekelo ngawe ngekini. Uma umuntu engayeka ukukhanda utshwala kubo ezobukhanda kini, usuke esho ukuthini lo muntu ngekini? Usuke ikini elibuka kanjani lo muntu ongenza leyo nto enjalo? Iyafana ke le situation. Kodwa ngale kokwanda asifunde article uzoyifunda njengoba ibhaliwe. Ifundeka kanje. SAPS dismantles illicit alcohol manufacturing facility in Faroe. On Thursday, 2 October 2025, members of Operation Chanela 2 operationalized information about facility illegally manufacturing and distributing alcohol. Members descended on a farm located in Faroe, Stellenbosch, where they uncovered a fully operational illegal alcohol manufacturing facility inside a building on the property. 5 Malawian suspects, aged between 26 and 45, were arrested and large quantities of illicit alcohol and manufacturing equipment were seized. Upon further investigation, the member visited a storage facility in Woodstock, Cape Town, where a Chinese national, aged 53, was arrested. A substantial quantity of illegal pre-packed alcohol was confiscated at the second location, suspected to be ready for distribution. The 5 Malawian suspects are expected to appear in the Stellenbosch Magistrates Court on the charges related to contravention of the Liquor Act. The Chinese suspect will appear in the Cape Town Magistrate Court on similar charge. Impela South Africa siyafana nabantu abangenawo umthetho. South Africa uyabona ngingadumala kakhulu uma ngathiwa labantu bavele phambi kwenkantolo basebethola ibhili. Lokho yikona okungangidumaza kakhulu. Ngiyazi ke ukuthi inkantolo yena enikeza abantu ibhili futhi ngezizathu ezehlukahlukeneyo. Kodwa labantu abayeka ukukhanda utshwala emazweni abo bakhanda utshwala futhi ofuna kuphuzwe yini bantu baSouth Africa ngoba niyabuthanda utshwala. Ngiyakhumbula uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi uthi ngesikhathi kune-July unrest wathola ama-calls ngisho nabantu abangominister ngoba kwase sekuzwakela ukuthi abantu sebeya ngakwi-distributor yotshwala. Babekhathazekile bonke abantu ngotshwala wabona hey buyindaba enkulu. Ngenxa yokuthi nithanda utshwala abantu baseMalawi bazonikhandela nini utshwala ngoba nina abantu base-South Africa nibhizi notshwala futhi anginiyeke ngiqhubeke nodaba. Umsolwa ona-28 eminyaka ogama lakhe ngu-Abraham Johannes Mahlangu ugwetshwe udilikajele emveni kokudlwengula isalukazi esineminyaka ewu-101. Waphinde bamnika na-3-year sentence for ukugqekeza. Isigameko senzeka lapha eSehlakwana Village, eZaiplaas ngoLwesihlanu langomhla ka-26 kuJulayi 2024 ngabo-6 ntambama ikhathi. Inkantolo iqaphelile ukuthi lo oyi-victim, lo ugogo lo odlwenguliwe, wayolala egumeni lakhe lokulala ekameri lakhe iminyango kanye nama-window ekuvalile. Futhi ayikho into engajwayelekile ayiqaphela. Uma ngosuku olulandelayo kwakuyi-Saturday yangomhla ka-27 July 2024 at about 5 ekuseni ngaleso sikhathi wayesalele lo okuyena onukubeziwe Indoda engaziwa yangena ekamereni lakhe. Lo wesilisa waziphoqelela kulo mama wamkinya. Emnikeza umyalelo ukuthi akathule. Wamkhumula, qeda wamdlwengula. Emveni kokuba esenze lesenzo lesesibi sobugebengu, lo msolwa waphuma wabaleka, wasephuma ngewindi mayesebaleka. Bathi-ke the victim immediately sought help and her nephew pursued the suspect. With the diligent work of the investigating officer, Warrant Officer Victoria Phala of Groblersdal Family Violence, Child Protection and Sexual Offences, FCS unit, the accused was identified, arrested and later linked to a crime through DNA analysis. Awubengeka aphunyula. Uma ngabe kutholakala nolibo fuzo, ubengeka aphunyula. Akahamba ayobolela ejele lo. Bathi-ke uJohannes lo utholakale necala le-rape in terms of section 3 of Act 32 of 2007. Wayesegwetshwa-ke udilika jele kanye neminyaka ewu-3 yokugqekeza. Amadlulela phambili ngoLwesibili langomhla ka-30 kuSeptember 2025, i-information iholele amaphoyisa eGqeberha lapho kunemoto espothwe khona ama-TRT members. Le moto itholakale inabantu abawu-4 phakathi. Uma-ke beyisesha le moto, amaphoyisa athole izikhwama ezinempahla kanye neziliphu ezivela kumabhenki ahlukahlukeneyo. Lama members we-TRT abesedlulele endlini, ngiyacabanga la kuhlala khona lamadoda awu-4, lapha bathole khona isibhamu esingekho semthethweni kanye nesamba semali esingadaluliwe. Bonke-ke labasolwa boyi-4 bazovela enkantolo maduze. Lo msebenzi-ke wenziwa SAPS yase-Eastern Cape, ibambisene neKomani Crime Intelligence kanye neGqeberha TRT, i-DPCI yaziwa ngama-Hawks kanye ne-K9 unit. Labasolwa laba babalela eminyakeni ewu-19 kuya ku-27. Amacala abazobhekana nawo we-kidnapping, armed robbery, emveni kwesigameko sokugqekezwa kweshop Whittlesea sise-Eastern Cape. Bathi an off-duty police officer arrest taxi driver for illegal possessions of a firearm and ammunition. Ifundeka kanje. Ngomhla ka-30 September, iphoyisa beli-off-duty elisebenzela eHanki SAPS libone ingxabano phakathi ko-taxi driver ababili. Lithe futhi uma libhekisisa labona ukuthi oyedwa kulabo taxi driver uphethe isibhamu kuye. Then le member le yayisibiza i-backup. Yafika i-backup njengakapheli imizuzu emingaki. Iphoyisa leli lisalinde i-backup. Omunye walabantu abebexabana ungene kwimoto emhlophe eyiSudan, iSuzuki sedan, then wadriver ngedirection ebheke ngase-Humansdorp. Ekufikeni kwalamaphoyisa abeyi-backup ubese balayela lo base behamba ngaleyo ndlela leyo. Ngenhlahla bahlangana nayo le Suzuki sedan ekhona eHumansdorp, la bayivimbe khona imoto bayisesha. Umsolwa ona-31 iminyaka wayeseyaboshwa ngokutholakala nesibhamu esingekho emthethweni kanye nezinhlamvu ebeziphakathi lapho. Isibhamu-ke leso sithathiwe, uzovela enkantolo maduze nje lo msolwa. Isibhamu leso sibona la ku-screen sakho. Yabona ngendlela lamaphoyisa okuthiwa asheshe ngayo, angazi noma kwenziwa ukuthi obebabizile uyimemba yabo na. Uma bengashesha kanje kuzo zonke indawo la basuke bebizwe khona, buningi ubugebengu obungase bunqandeke. Uma nje bengashesha ngale ndlela abasheshe ngaba, kuthiwa bathathe nje ama-minute ukuze bafike. Siyakuncoma-ke konke lokho okwenzakele. Asiyibambe le video. Bengifisa nje ukwazisa ukuthi kwenzakalani eSouth Africa yethu le ekhululekile. South Africa yethu ikhululeke kakhulu. Uma bezokwazi ukusuka abantu eMalawi naseChina bezokhanda utshwala eSouth Africa. Uma abantu bezobanjwa, selokhu liqalile iviki sireporta ngama-foreign nationals abanjwayo, abanye abanjwa transport ama-drugs, amanye abanjwa enza into eziningi. Nangomunye una-28 lo mfana. Yini kodwa lento eqhanyelise lo mfana mayibuka ugogo na 101. Hayi man, lo muntu ugugile ngempela. 101 iminyaka yena usamdlwengula. Kanti kwenzakalani kule South Africa yethu? Yazi sengiyabona why abantu bekhanda ney'tori ezingekho bathi uJesu uyabuya kuzoba ne-rapture, ingoba bakhathele ukubona lento esizibona nsuku zonke, nesiriphotha ngazo nsuku zonke, nesifunda ngazo nsuku zonke. Yazi ngiyafisa kube nosuku nje eSouth Africa la sizothi masifunda khona i-newspaper, sike sifunde nje kungabi na-corruption ezobikwa, kungabi nabantu ababulewe, kungabi nama-drugs akuzothiwa abanje. Kwesiphile nje South Africa ekhululekile nje, abantu abashona kuthiwa cha ushone ngokwemvelo ngoba vele bese kufika isikhathi. Hayi yazi angazi noma soke siyibone into enjalo, ngiyazi ukuthi lento engishoyo ayenzeki kodwa ngiyafisa ukuthi siphile ezweni elinjalo. Ya ngicela ukuze uphawula kwakho la ku-comment section, mina nawe bese sidibana kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.